This is a shooting method you've never seen before. Just pull the trigger on another gun and you can perform the stunning act of shooting an arrow through an apple all by yourself. However, unexpectedly, Pluto did something even more outrageous. After tossing a plate of eggs behind him, he pulled out a mirror and started playing a shooting game using the reflection. As the yolk spun rapidly, a chick actually hatched from inside. This absurd scene instantly left Oliver utterly fascinated. Then, when seeing Pluto perform hurdles, he was so excited that he almost jumped over the railing to cheer for him. Just as Popeye was speechless about this, he suddenly noticed a restless horse breaking through the fence and entering the field. Seeing this, Popeye's eyes lit up immediately. It was time to show Olive what true charm was. He quickly took out some spinach, and with a bite, Popeye instantly transformed into a cowboy. Then, in less than 2.5 seconds, he had the horse completely tamed. Taking advantage of the horse's confusion, he rode it to complete a high-difficulty aerial jump, and even when landing, the bewildered horse remained in a daze. Then, to suppress Pluto's arrogance, he pulled out a revolver and shot at him. Seeing the rapidly incoming bullet, Pluto was instantly frozen in place with fear. Popeye suddenly threw out a rope and stopped the bullet in midair. Seeing this, Pluto immediately realized he had been tricked. Just then, he noticed the spinach Popeye had left behind. Crafty as ever, he came up with a plan, dumping out all the spinach from the can and stuffing it with wild grass. Unaware of this, Popeye had just finished enjoying Olive's reward when Pluto approached. He first pretended to express his gratitude, then handed Popeye the can of swapped spinach, hoping he would help tame the raging bull. Seeing this, Popeye immediately agreed cheerfully, and after a few quick bites, he walked up with a swagger. However, at that moment, his body stiffened, and the machinery in his head seemed to malfunction, as if it had been filled with fake oil, suddenly exploding with smoke. Just as Popeye was left dazed by the explosion, the bull in the pen suddenly broke through the fence and charged out. Even more absurdly, Popeye, facing the bull, saw it as a voluptuous beauty and enthusiastically invited the bewildered bull to dance a waltz. Seeing this, Pluto couldn't help but burst into laughter, but unexpectedly, the bull suddenly charged and sent Popeye flying. With the powerful impact, the wild grass was shaken and fell right into Pluto's mouth. Immediately after eating the fake spinach, Pluto's face began to change colors, and he also started hallucinating, seeing Olive as a donkey. Excited by this, he immediately tied Olive to a stake and took out a red-hot branding iron, intending to mark his own brand. At this critical moment, Popeye suddenly snapped out of it upon hearing the cries for help. Seeing this, he quickly took out the real spinach, confirmed it was genuine, and immediately ate it. Instantly, his muscles swelled up like a TNT explosion. With a powerful punch, the bull was instantly turned into steak and sausage. Just as Oliver was on the brink of death, Popeye arrived in time and punched Pluto, sending him flying. Enraged, Pluto immediately grabbed the red-hot branding iron to fight back, but Popeye effortlessly caught it with one finger and returned it all to him.